In the State Reorganization Act, which has been passed, it has been very clearly mentioned that the High Court has to be bifurcated for the state of Andhra Pradesh and for Telangana.
Okay.
But now it is almost 9.5 months. We have been going from post to pillar to each and every department we are going. Our Chief Minister has met the Prime Minister 3 times regarding this. He has also met the CJ of Supreme Court and has requested that the bifurcation should take place. They have again sent us to the High Court there. That we have also met the CJ of High Court. All the Bar Council of both the states have come and met Mr. Sadanand Gowdaji and have requested them that a bifurcation should happen soon, because a lot of cases are pending in the court without undisposed, madam. And not only that, there is already a very big situation, and the notification has been issued for recruitment of new junior judges, which is really a very, but the generation of Telangana advocates will be affected. So we have been asking them not to do this, and after the bifurcation, only this type of recruitment should take up. That also, they have not allowed that. And all the advocates in Telangana state and also in Andhra, they have already boycotted there is no work going on in the judiciary section. I request you to please interfere in this and see that immediately, with the immediate effect, bifurcation has to be taken up. We have already written a letter.
Minister, yes.
Speaker, I fully share this.
Yes, Jitendra ji. Yes.
Speaker, in an extraordinary situation, Speaker has allowed honourable member. I fully share the sentiment expressed by Sri Jitendra Reddy about the need for having separation of the High Court into Telangana High Court and Andhra Pradesh High Court. My colleague Sri Sadananda Gowda is already dealing with this matter, and it has to be agreed upon by the state government of Telangana, by the state government of Andhra Pradesh, and also by the Honorable High Court of Andhra Pradesh. So there is little sensitivity involved in this, but I fully share the sentiments. I will convey to the Honorable Minister and ask him to expedite the process to the extent possible from the central government side. As I told the Honorable Speaker, the states as well as the High Court also is involved in this. We will anyhow pursue the matter as per the Act. See, there as very much in the Act, so we will pursue it.
Thank you. There is, Jitendra ji, now it's over.
Madam,
Now it is over. No,
just a minute. One line, madam.
Yes.
Madam, but the issue is, madam, I have raised this issue under 377, madam.
Yes.
The Honorable Law Minister was kind enough to reply me in detail, madam. The Honorable Law Minister had stated that
Now
the government of Andhra Pradesh State and the Chief Justice of Common High Court has not been received yet. They are not responding. It's very unfortunate, madam. 2 days back we met the Law Minister. He said that he can't do anything further. So, Honorable Parliament.
Ministry is already seized of the matter.
Okay, they have said no.
You made your point. You have got the letter of the Law Minister also. Let us not complicate the issue. We'll definitely let us try to resolve the issue at the earliest.
Now it's over. Yes, yes. There is another notice on another subject. Please. Notice for suspension and adjournment both. Notice is given by Sri Professor Saugat Rai. No doubt notices were given by Dipendra Hooda ji and K.C. Venugopal. Please listen to me. Please, I'm sorry. No, everybody will now say. Okay. This is no, okay. But notices of Dipendra Hooda and K.C. Venugopal ji, they are time barred. But still, I will allow you, after Saugat Rai will say something, only one of you see who will be chief. Yes.
Madam, thank you for allowing me. I have given an adjournment motion.